Let's make some chicken stew for my toddler. It's healthy, tasty, and easy to make. So, I'm starting with boiling some water, and I use this boiled water to wash the vegetables and the chicken pieces. I have already washed some cloves, black pepper, and cumin seeds, and now I'm just dry roasting them. Now keeping all these masalas aside, and I'm adding some mustard oil in the pan. I always fry the chicken pieces properly till they become red. Okay, so they need a little more frying, so till then we are gonna crush the spices. These vegetables are properly washed, and now we are gonna add these vegetables in the pan. Adding one small onion and a little piece of ginger, one cardamom and a small piece of cinnamon, and some bay leaf. Adding salt to taste, the dry roasted spices, some coriander powder. Now mix everything properly. Oh, I have added haldi also that I forgot to shoot. Sorry. So when it looks like this, I mean everything is releasing the oil. You can see the oil. It looks like this. You can add some water. So let everything come to a boil now. And now it's ready for the lid. We're gonna wait for 12 or 15 whistles. Let's open this. Yes, it's ready to serve. Thank you for watching.